Welcome to RulerMap Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to export a video as an image sequence in Blender. First, you're going to open up Blender. Click anywhere on the screen to exit the splash menu. Click Add Workspace, Video Editing, Video Editing. Once you're here, you can drag your video into the sequence editor. And we can get rid of the sound layer by selecting it and clicking X and erase strips. Now we'll have our video. Next, you're going to go up here to this menu, select the frame rate, go to the output, and select where you want the output to be. You're going to want to create a new folder for it, so it's not just a bunch of images on your desktop. Then name it and click accept. And you're going to scroll down, make sure the file format is set to PNG. Then you can leave the rest of the settings blank. Come back down to the sequence editor bar. Look on the blue bar, you'll see a number after the title. My number is 221. That's where how many frames it is. Go to the end frames and type in 221. That way it won't end with a bunch of black frames. Then you go to render animation. This can take a while. Once the video is finished rendering, you can exit the Blender render, and then you can exit Blender. If you're still going to be working on this file in Blender, click Save. If not, just click Do Not Save. And wherever you saved it, is on my desktop, you can see it'll be an image sequence. That is how you convert a video to an image sequence in Blender.